Forget bulky headsets. The revolution in augmented reality is here with the TCL RayNeo X2. These sleek, everyday glasses seamlessly blend digital information into your real-world view. Powered by Qualcomm's cutting-edge Snapdragon XR2 platform, the RayNeo X2 delivers lightning-fast performance. With features like built-in GPS navigation, you'll never get lost again. Get turn-by-turn directions overlaid directly onto the street in front of you. Hands-free language translation during conversations, a true game-changer for travelers. The RayNeo X2 redefines on-the-go productivity. And the best part, with their low-key design, they won't make you stand out. This is the future of wearable tech. It's subtle, powerful, and about to change the way we interact with the world around us. Forget pre-programmed robots. The Ugot Robotic Kit puts you in control. This kit allows you to build and customize your very own robotic dog, offering a unique, hands-on way to dive into the world of robotics. Using various motors, sensors, and intuitive coding software, you can bring your pup to life. Imagine seeing it move with realistic agility, interact with its environment using camera eyes or touch sensors, and even respond to your commands. Ugot tackles the intimidation factor often associated with learning robotics, making it accessible and fun for all ages. It's a fantastic way to develop an interest in technology, foster creativity, and build a special bond with a robot you create yourself. With the Ugot Robotic Kit, you'll discover the joy of bringing technology to life in your own unique way. Imagine never having to mow your lawn again. EcoFlow, the company known for its portable power stations, is bringing that dream closer with its Blade robotic lawn mower. This intelligent robot takes care of all the tedious mowing, so you can relax and enjoy your perfect lawn. The Blade is packed with advanced features to make your life easier. Cutting-edge vision sensors and GPS navigation mean you don't need to set up any pesky boundary wires. It figures out the layout of your lawn, intelligently dodging flower beds, toys, and even pets. The Blade doesn't just work around obstacles, it learns from them, refining its route each time it mows for maximum efficiency. With features like anti-theft protection and remote tracking via the EcoFlow app, your investment is secured. Worried about rain? Don't be. The Blade can mow in wet weather and even adjusts its schedule based on the forecast. Tired of sore shoulders and nagging fatigue after a day of overhead work? The Ottobock Shoulder exoskeleton is here to change that. The Ottobock Shoulder exoskeleton is a wearable support system that takes the weight off your shoulders, literally. Engineered by Ottobock, known for their innovative assistive technologies, this intuitive device senses your movements and provides lightweight support as you work. The Ottobock Shoulder is designed to enhance productivity on the job. Whether you're constantly reaching overhead in a warehouse, performing precise tasks as a technician, or working extended hours with heavy tools, it keeps your shoulders energized. This exoskeleton reduces muscle fatigue and strain, leading to a more comfortable workday and a decreased risk of injury. For those whose work involves repetitive overhead motions, the Ottobock Shoulder could be a game changer, revolutionizing comfort and productivity. The Voixatch smartwatch blends cutting-edge features with innovative design. This cellular-enabled smartwatch grants you the freedom to make and receive calls without the need for your smartphone, thanks to its unique detachable Bluetooth headset housed right in the watch's bezel. Voixatch solves the problem of juggling multiple devices, seamlessly combining smartwatch functions with a sleek, always available headset that ensures you're never out of touch. With independent cellular connectivity, GPS, and a robust battery, the Voixatch empowers on-the-go communication and convenience, offering the potential to streamline the way we stay connected without the bulkiness of carrying separate devices. Plus, the ability to customize the Voixatch bezel lets you personalize your look to match your style. a world where you can find a pocket of tranquility amidst the chaos. The AIrPod Privacy Capsule by AIrPod Technologies is designed to do just that. This sleek and futuristic pod offers a personal haven, designed to shut out the distractions of a bustling environment and give you a moment of peace whenever you need it. The AIrPod's key features create a private oasis. Its sound-dampening design muffles outside noise, while adjustable lighting lets you customize your perfect atmosphere. Whether you need to focus on work, steal a few minutes of meditation, or unwind during a long commute, the AIrPod becomes your personal sanctuary. Forget worrying about losing power during storms or outages. Mango Power's home battery systems seamlessly kick in, keeping your essential appliances running. Depending on the size of your system, this could mean powering a fridge for hours or even days, keeping lights on, and running a fan for comfort. Need energy on the go? Their portable power stations can handle a wide range of devices, from recharging your camping gear to running a small TV or fan for extended periods. Mango Power offers smart, reliable energy solutions that make a real difference in everyday life. From home battery backup systems to portable power stations, their products are designed to solve common power problems and provide peace of mind. Say goodbye to limitations. The PRODRONE PD6B AW arm is the world's first large-format drone equipped with robotic arms, ready to change the game. Created by PRODRONE, a leader in industrial drone solutions, this innovative machine features two powerful robotic arms for unprecedented versatility. The PRODRONE seamlessly tackles a wide range of demanding tasks. Its robotic arms can grab objects, manipulate tools, and even perform intricate assembly work. Inspecting hard-to-reach areas without risking human workers, delivering supplies to remote locations, or collecting hazardous materials with ease. This drone is built for challenging environments. Its robust design and powerful motors ensure stability and precision, even in harsh weather conditions. With its high payload capacity, extended flight time, and sophisticated control systems, the PRODRONE pushes the boundaries of industrial automation.